Meaning of indie music.
Indie music.
Indie music.
Indie music.
Indie music. Indie music refers to music produced independently of major commercial record labels. It originated in the 1980s as a response to the mainstream music industry and was seen as a means for artists to retain creative control over their music and release it on their own terms. Indie music often features a DIY aesthetic, incorporating elements of alternative rock, punk, and pop. It has since grown into a diverse and vibrant scene with subgenres ranging from folk to electronica. Today, indie music continues to be defined by its independent spirit and innovative approach to music making.